The vocabulary word we are exploring now is unity. Unity. Have you noticed how communities or groups feel stronger when everyone works together in harmony? The word unity describes that sense of togetherness and collective strength. It represents agreement, cooperation, and shared purpose. Let's explore its meaning, examples, and a short story to understand it better. Meaning of unity. Unity means the state of being joined together or in agreement, creating strength and harmony among individuals or groups. Examples. The festival promoted unity among different communities. There is strength in unity when facing challenges. The team worked in unity to complete the project on time. Short story. During the school fundraiser, students from different grades showed unity by organizing stalls, collecting donations, and encouraging participation. Each student contributed in their own way, yet all efforts complemented each other. Teachers and parents joined in, amplifying the sense of togetherness. By the end of the day, the event was a huge success, raising funds for the library. Everyone realized that unity was the key to achieving more than individual efforts could. The students learned that working together in harmony can create a positive impact far beyond what they imagined.